Hi, I'm Kelsey. I'm going to show you how to create an inspirational fashion photo. We've come to Kew Gardens today as their roses are currently in bloom and they look amazing. At the moment, my feed is really summery. I'm looking for lots of warm tones and colourful pinks to match my look. As a fashion blogger, I always have to think what people are going to comment on in a photo. So when I'm picking an outfit, I always want to make sure I have like a really standout piece, so whether that's a colourful print or a handbag. In my opinion, you can never have too many accessories. The more the better. I love wearing lots of different rings, bracelets and watches. When it's a sunny day, I always like to shoot with the sun behind me, as I feel like this adds more depth to the photo and creates more vibrant colours. I'm loving these pink roses. I think I'm going to take my photos here as I know it will work really well with my white dress. When I'm posing, I find it's best to keep constantly moving as it looks more natural. There's nothing worse than looking a bit stiff in a photo. If you're unsure on what to do with your hands in a photo, I definitely recommend grabbing onto a hat, a handbag or a pair of sunglasses. I'm kneeling down here because the rose bushes aren't that tall, but I want the colour to surround me in my outfit. Loving these photos, I'm going to pick a favourite and bring it to life in Lightroom. I'm going to show you how to use Lightroom to make your colours more vibrant and how to clean up your image for the perfect fashion shot. There's such a massive difference and I'm really happy with the result.